Well, here we are again. It's like a week later. I haven't done any videos in at least a week. So we haven't seen my little buddy in a week. Now he's coming up here. Come on. Come here. All right, all right. And according to, well, the grass, he's been rolling around out there in the yard again. Okay. All right. It's warming up again, starting to. We're only going to have 43 today, but it was better than it was yesterday. It's like in the 30s and snowing yesterday. Go figure. And I did another blood test earlier this last week, and I got the results back from that. My white cell count has gone from 24,000 to 28,000, and that's after about 4.5 months of not having it tested. So anyway, I do see my oncologist on Tuesday, so we'll see what he says. But I'm pretty sure he's going to say, well, let's wait a couple more months again, because unless they have other things that show up, I'm not showing any signs of any, outward signs of having leukemia, although I do have it. But yeah, that's one of those deals. They just go play it by ear, But that never stopped me from anything. So last night, in just a couple of hours, I put together this mini Tesla coil. This is the other one that we got. And this guy here, yeah, it's a lot smaller than the last one I had. The last one, was pretty good size. This thing here, the entire thing doesn't make up much of anything. Oh. My thing on this one was they have bigger heat sinks for the FET transistors. And there goes the dog after the cat again. This coil here is basically the drive coil. It's got more current going through it than this other smaller one does. And actually what I'm using to power it this time is this wall wart. It says it's 12 volts. I checked it out. It's actually 16, but it's pretty low current. So I don't know if it'll work or not. I guess we'll test it out and see what it does. The wire is super thin. I don't know if you'll see anything at all from it. It's so small. I mean, it's like about the thickness of a human hair. So this is really some thin wire. So I don't know what'll happen on this one. I am going to hook it up to a radio. I do have a jack that will plug into this over on this side. You see over here, there's the jack right there I can plug it into. And then the other side here is for power, and that's basically it. And I'll plug it in, and we'll see what it does. I don't know if it's going to do anything at all. Don't know if it's going to make any noise or what. They do give me a neon bulb for like a, I guess it's for a high voltage check, I guess. So show where there's some high voltage there, it'll light up. So we'll go ahead and set it up over here and see what we can see. And see if even my LEDs go on. I'm going to have to turn this light off above me over there. And so it may be dark, but it's the only way you'll be able to see anything. So we shall go over here, and we're going to tilt down. I'm going to turn the light off. So you'll see it's going to go dark here. I think I'm going to bring this down some more too, just so you can get a better shot at it. see how that'll work. Yeah, I guess it'll work. Let's see. Go up a little bit more. See if it does anything. It'll be nice if it does. Okay, the power I have over here, I can switch that. Now, the other thing is, turn this radio on. Gotta find the jack. Ah, here it is. Here on top. Okay. So, we'll see if it does anything. I'll turn this on. Can't hear anything, but yes, it is on. Let's see. Power. Okay. Power plug. Go on this side. You're going to see everything that I see. Let's see. There it is. Okay, that's plugged in. There's no off-on switch on this one. So all you'll see is if the LEDs go on, I guess. Let's turn this thing around. So you might be able to see the LEDs. Let's see if anything happens there. Alright, now let's turn it on. There we go. Is there enough power? Okay, I know that 16 volts going in there. And I see nothing. LEDs didn't go on, nothing. Okay, back to the drawing board. Okay, my last video here, just a little bit ago, and it's been another whole day actually since I've come back to this. Number one, my brother came over and found out that one of the LEDs was dead. Had the brand new ones that I had in there. So, okay, those have been replaced with 2 LEDs, new ones. And my brother just phoned me and said, hey, you know, it doesn't work because the guy said in another video that if you wind the coil, the drive coil, that's the big one, if you wind it counterclockwise, supposedly that is the reason it'll work. So sure enough, I just went in there now and rewound the coil in a different direction, and it doesn't take much, and it's gonna work. So here we go. Let's see. Gotta plug it into power. Here it go. Right there. And now if I get this little neon bulb, let's see if you can see it even. Oh, there it is. See it glow as I go nearer? So it is working. And actually the sound quality on these things is really bad according to what the guy said. But I'm pretty sure this will work fine. I haven't tried to draw an arc off of it yet. But yeah, seems everything is working fine. I don't know why the other LED is not flashing right now, but I only have one LED going, but at least it's working. So here we go again. There's another Tesla coil. Like I said, this one's, I haven't tried it on sound, so yeah, a guy in a video did it and it didn't sound really great. But we'll see. We'll try some more stuff on it. And but anyway, yep, it works. And that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching.